Right then, along we go into the main path westward, cross and along to Debenhams, and the lifts there are some eco discs.
Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening. Closing. Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up.
And now along we go to the next lift, which is a little second generation eco disc up to the management offices.
Doors closing. First floor. Doors open. Doors closed. Door 0.
Right then, along we go into Waterstones, to the weirdest lift in the entire shopping centre. This looks like a second-hand lift, like I've taken it out of one building and put it into this building. This lift was built in 2004, and it doesn't look like 2004. It looks a lot older. It's one of these weird sort of spring door, no air doors, but really slow. It just goes levelling speed. It was just so weird. And it was installed by High Tech Lift. And now go along to the nice second generation eco disc up to DW Sport, which used to be JJB Sports. And now along we go into Marks and Spencer's, and the lift there is an Otis Gen 2. Right then, along to the next lift in Next, which, guess what? It's in Oakland! Wow!
Mind the doors, please.
And now go along to the next lift, which is another second generation eco disc.
Doors closed. First floor. Doors open. Doors open. Doors closing. Floor 0. Doors open.
And now go along into wheel codes. And as always, very cheap and wow, I've never seen this before. The lift there is an Otis Gen 2 with DMG buttons. And this doesn't look like a mod, it looks like it was originally built like this. I've never seen an Otis Gen 2 with the DMG buttons. It just looks so stupid.
Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening. Please select your floor. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening. Please select your floor.
And along we go into TK Maxx, which has an Otis Gen 2.